Hello and nice to meet you. This is Mr. Hazim Hassan and this is my new proverb for the day. My proverb today comes from the Egyptian dialect. I am very interested in the Egyptian dialect because I am Egyptian. This is number one. And number two, because the Egyptian Arabic language is the most important dialect all over the Arabic world. It has more than 100 million population who speak, write, or press or do different cultural activities daily. You can't speak Arabic without understanding the Egyptian dialect. It's a part of the soft power of Egypt. And my proverb today is على قد لحافك مد رجليك, or cut your coat according to your cloth. I'm gonna try to give another translation for every one word used in that proverb in order to allow non-native Arabic speakers to speak and know and understand that proverb very well. على قد لحافك مد رجليك means exactly don't stretch your feet farther than the length of your quilt. Because if you have a quilt in winter and that quilt is needed to cover you and protect you from the cold weather, you can't protect only half of your body or a part of your body. You need to protect all your body in order to feel warm in winter. So على قد لحافك مد رجليك, don't stretch your feet farther than the length of your quilt. This proverb is used daily in the Egyptian dialect in order to advise persons who try to appear richer than they are, or who try to live in a life which is more comfortable than the life they are able to do. For example, if someone who is not very rich goes to buy a very expensive Mercedes car, I can tell him على قد لحافك مد رجليك, because he is not rich enough to buy such a very expensive car. He can buy only a small car that he appears to pay for it, or he is able to pay for it. Thank you very much for watching my video. I am sure you are gonna be excited by watching more and more proverbs from the Arabic world. Thanks for watching my proverb. Happy to meet you. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a like and share my video. It's Mr. Hazim Hassan. Thanks again and bye.